Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an immaculately kept 6 bedroom, 6 bathroom, 2-story home on a fruited quarter-acre lot, nestled on the border of St. James and Trelawny in a preferred location for returning residents known as Coconut Avenue and only 20 minutes to the Sangsters International Airport. The main floor includes a large kitchen, including refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, and microwave, living room, dining room, powder room, laundry room, and the first bedroom with ensuite. Traveling up the cedar staircase to the second floor, where you are greeted by an open sitting area. The second floor includes the second and third bedrooms, each with their own ensuites. Bedrooms 5 and 6 share a large bathroom. The large primary bedroom includes a 6-piece ensuite with balcony access and a partial ocean view. Access to the rooftop terrace from the second floor provides a great entertainment space to watch the sunset over the ocean. All furnishing is negotiable, including chandeliers and personal items. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $499,000. Our Jamaican $76.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.